I'm back. I haven't been out for, I think it's worked out about 10 days, so I seem to have lost my cycling mojo for a bit. Well, not a bad thing since it's really cold. I've had a lot of snow flurries the last few days, and I'm afraid with my mojo not sort of there, it was any excuse basically. So not too long a ride, going up towards the byway that was flooded. I'm not going down it. Just a good hour's stretch before work. I hope you're all well and loving all your vlogs. Keep me going, even if it's not on the bike. The mudguards were off. Yeah, no, I took them off because I just hate mudguards on my bike. Old school perhaps, I don't know. Anyway, I'll show you later in a bit of candy. It's very windy today. An icy cold wind. Look at all these trees being taken down. What a shame. Some beautiful trees come down here. Whew. Okay. I wonder if they'll be taking these down as well. We do lose a few in winter. Some are deemed dangerous, I suppose. Anyway, it's Thursday. It's 9:30. Done most of my housework. Oh, and I had my first COVID jab last week. And I had the Moderna. No side effects. Just a very, very sore arm for, I don't know, 24 hours. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. This is the village of Boncath. You usually see me flying through it the other way, I think. This is our nearest local shop. Good shop too. I don't know where the nearest cafe is. Probably Cardigan. Anyway, I'm not out to break any speed records today, I'm just pootling along. Glad I put my thermal top on. My ghillie is a cold wind, but I've got summer longs on, which is not a good idea. And they're only 3/4. Right, I'm about to climb a hill now. First hill of the day. Right, that's hill number 1 done. That was tougher, but I feel good doing it. I wonder if you can see this view. Apart from the lorry. You can see the Pacellis from here. I hope so, because I'm such a short person. I never know what you can see till I go home and check. When I came down this way, I was with Alan. We did the byway. That turned out to be a mud bath for my poor bike. It was a great laugh though. Anyway, we lost the footage of this half, so unless I decide I've had enough, you'll get the footage that you missed, apart from the byway. I'm not going down there again. So this is the main road to Newport, Pembrokeshire for us. It's a B road actually. Yeah, we're not in lockdown now, so it's a bit busier than usual. You can call it busy. So I turn off here, and you've seen the hill here. I'll catch you further up. Got to stop for the view, haven't we? Yeah. She looks a lot better without mudguards. And hopefully Paul will be pleased. I follow his YouTube video on cleaning my cassette. Still looks pretty shiny. I use a wax oil, so it does dull the shine a little bit. Anyway, there we are. I'm not sure how to zoom on this. I'm absolutely useless with technical stuff, really. Look at the shine on this in the sun. I'm not sure if the GoPro will catch it up, but it's so blingy. Whoa, he's hammering it. Ooh, dust everywhere, you. Now my bike will need to dust, won't it, eh? Enjoys the country roads. Probably just had to back up for the tractor and muck spreader that's in front of me. Such a beautiful day. Oh, such a clear day today. This is not one of the roads you want to go fast on. It's very it's quite bumpy and it's narrow. I get a lot of tractors up here. I've got some big farms up here, so I'll be cautious. Morning. Sunning himself outside his house. Lovely. Right, careful here because there's usually horses. I have my smile back, that's good. See, you just need to push yourself to get out, and the smile soon comes back. I can feel the chill in the sea air though. Oof. Right, I've got to get up to that farmhouse now. That's Cwmbetws, that's why we call this road Cwmbetws Road. The farm is called Cwmbetws. And it's one of those hills that are little buggers. So I'm going to try and pick up speed going down. Get my gears right before I get there. Cwmbetws. very clean farm.
Excuse the squeak, it's the cables again on the headset. I'm going to have to get that sorted when I take it for a service.
Oh, I'm so glad I got out. Makes you feel so much better. So here's the byway entrance. That track. Straight on. Speaks for itself really, doesn't it? And all we had to do was go this way. Oh shit, wrong way. Wrong way. I've forgotten how to change gear on my bike. Sorry, bike. This was an old farm. It's falling down at one stage, but I think it's been sold and converted, which it saves its life. All the barn buildings were falling. Saved it though. Might have disappeared from history if they hadn't. So, this is an A road, sort of main road to Fishguard. And we're going down this way. This is Harrow Hill, Pembigny Road. Why is it if you're going uphill it's always into the wind? It's like called Sod's Law. I'm gonna have to stop here again and show you this. Is there a gate? Yes, there's a gate. Hell, I bet it doesn't come out so good on camera. And you can see Dina's head over there with the sea again. I'll try and take some photos and then we can zoom in. There's a ship out there as well. There we go, photos taken. I took some on my phone as well because you can zoom. I can zoom better on my phone. Still against the wind. Haven't been this way around for ages. Should be a good view when we get up here. And I can't hear a thing with the wind. Oh. Right, let's get going. Should recognise where you are now. This is the main road back from Eglosur. Right, let's go. I just realised I'm going to have to get used to lorries going past me again. It's been so long. Obviously with the shops open they're getting deliveries and a lot of lorries coming up and down. Anyway, it's nice to feel life is back to moving again. There's the Rennie. Must mean I'm nearly home. Thanks for joining me, thanks for watching, and catch you all in the not too distant future. Yeah. Oh, glad he stopped. Woo-hoo-hoo. My last run home.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.